Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You need iOS 14 or later and the Shortcuts app. Once ready, start building a personal shortcut. Begin with a photo's input action so you can pick one or multiple images. Next, add a Get Details of Images step if you want date or location in the name. Then add a Ask for Input or Text action to define the new file name pattern. Make sure you choose a file's destination like iCloud Drive so the shortcut can write a renamed file. Now wire the rename logic. Use a text action to build the file name with variables. For example, date taken, a custom label, and an index for multiples. If you need a consistent format, add a format date action and insert that variable into the text. Convert image to JPEG if the original format causes conflicts, then feed the result to save file, pointing at the iCloud/files folder and enabling replace if file exists. This outputs a file with your chosen name. Finish by testing. Run the shortcut, select one or more photos, and confirm the renamed files appear in the files folder you set. If you want the renamed copies back in Photos, add Save to Photo Album after the Save File step. Make sure you're creating copies, not moving originals. If something fails, check Shortcuts permissions to access photos and files. Ensure your file name includes an extension like JPG, and make sure the destination allows overwrites. That single check fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.